existence of the global elites, no, and the Philippines is one of those that are targeted. So and of course all of this, no, going on and on. So I think that it is our duty as parents, no, as the elders, the ones that are na top of society, mga matatanda na, in other words, to teach your
The
children well.
elders.
The elders, you have to be leaders. Your children have to be leaders, but you have to be leaders also.
Yeah, we have to be leaders. And I agree. We need to teach our children to be leaders. And we need to teach them to be leaders with value,
Yeah,
with
yes.
ethics, with the moral high ground. Hindi
Yeah.
pwede tayong magpalaki ng anak na
Walang hiya,
walang hiya, na
no?
walang
Makapal ang
walang
muka, mga
na,
sinungaling.
na walang pakialam
Yeah,
sa morals or
yeah,
sa values or sa ethics. Hindi pwede kasi lalaki sila ng hindi natin gusto kung paano sila lalaki. I
yeah.
mean, it's so hard to describe it. It's so hard to say. I don't want to offend anyone, pero I'm not being righteous also, but we are raising future citizens of the world eh. Anong klaseng citizens ba ang gusto nating i-produce if they are our children? Anong klaseng life ang gusto natin for them when they grow up and then they mature and then we're not here anymore to guide them or to watch them.